Morning. Today we are going to start with the third chapter, that is grammar and language. Here we are going to discuss about the vocabulary. Different words are given and you have to improve your vocabulary once you learn these. Someone who is shy and lacks confidence. So we can use a word diffident. Dauntless and diffident, two words are given, but who lacks confidence, we can use a word diffident. A tall and a steep rock face or cliff, precipice. It is precipice. A person who is unfortunate, we can say hapless. Inauspicious, not hapless. Whichever word is tick, you have to tick that word hapless. Someone who can easily be convinced to believe something, discerning or gullible. Convinced to believe something. When we have to convince, that is gullible. A conclusion based on unreasonable arguments. When the reasonable arguments are not, they are unreasonable, and that is falsy. Falsy, when you have to give a wrong conclusion, that is falsy. Something that is memorable and unforgettable. Something which is very important and you never forget, that is indelible. Not revealing one's thought or feelings readily, that is reticent. To form an opinion from the information that you have, that is infer. To conform to the law or the rules, legitimate. And something that deserves hatred and contempt, that is despicable. So these are the sentences where you can use these words. Something that deserves hatred, you can use despicable, this word. Now next we will study about the proverbs and the phrases. Guess the popular phrase that you have been described below, final drinking tube. So this is a phrase and it means last straw, that have been described below. Last straw means last opportunity you are getting. Recapture one's respiration means catch once. So this is also a proverb and a phrase. So catch once. Confront the tune, face the music. Face the music, face the situations. Peruse lines below one but above the other means read between the lines. Peruse lines below one but above the other, read between the lines. Diversity is the seasoning of existence. Variety is the spice of life. Variety is the spice of life. Now in the next part they have given us some explanations are there and some common proverbs are also there. Now you have to guess and then write it. Is it clear? So some proverbs are there. You can make it easy or someone to do something, but you cannot force them to do it. They have given you an explanation. Now you have to say which phrase or a proverb it is. So it is that you can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it drink. Means you cannot force anyone to do something. So the proverb we will use here, that you can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make him drink. If he is willing, then only he will drink. When you are visiting another's place, you should follow the customs of the people in that place. Means when you are going somewhere, you should follow the customs and the things whatever the people are doing there. Do not take your things. So the phrase which we'll use here, that when in Rome, do as Romans, means wherever you are, do and adopt the culture of those people. Do not be too confident of success till you actually achieve it, because things may still go wrong. You should not be very happy seeing your first term result only. You should just wait and practice for the next term also. Is it clear? So you should not be more happy. Do not count your chickens before they are hatched. Is it clear? We should not be too confident and be too successful and enjoy, but still we have to think. Things can again turn wrong. So do not count your chickens before they are hatched. Again this verb is used. Proverb. Foolish people are usually the ones who talk the most and the loudest. So we know this, empty vessels always makes the most noise. If the vessel is complete, it will not shake or move, but empty vessels will definitely make the noise. Avoid bringing up things that happened in the past so as to prevent further problems. Let sleeping dogs lie. We should see the present situation. Do not think always the past what happened. If we keep on thinking the things of the past, we will always spoil our present. So we should leave it. Let the sleeping dogs lie. So please write all these things in a given line, neat and clean with pencil. So that's all for